Welcome to our course on UI and UX with Adobe XD. Well, Adobe XD is a software powered by Adobe, which is going to help you to design UI and UX in the specific software. Okay, it comes up with a plan which you can subscribe to and get all the functionality to it. But make sure to install the newest version of Adobe XD. But there are a lot of other software such as Figma. Then we have a Sketch and all of those. But among them, we are going to use Adobe XD because it has a lot of functionality to offer, and also we can do all of the works by using this software. Thus, in this course, we will learn about the usage of Adobe XD, such as the interface and all of those. Then we are going to learn about the interface and also the experience, which is UI and UX, and how you will be able to differentiate them, and also how those actually work. Then we are going to learn about the contents in UI and UX. As we know that UI stands for user interface and UX is user experience. Well, both of them make up a website, and the designing is the concept and also the end result. So we are going to learn about all the differences of the contents. Then we are going to learn about designing the interface of a website or a web browser, okay? Because it takes up a lot of contents and a lot of practice, and let's say a lot of ideas to make up or design the interface, okay? Then the last thing we are going to learn about is how to prototype. Well, prototype is also such as linking, or we also term that as hyperlink. Let's say you select on an object and then it takes you to another page, or let's say opens up another interface. And that is called prototyping in UI and UX, okay? So we are going to learn about that too. Thus, by the end of this course, we will be able to use Adobe XD very easily to design websites because I'm going to show you all of the tools and all of the usage it has to offer. Then we are going to know about all the contents to design up a website. There are wireframing, let's say there is design, rectangles, buttons, and all of those. We are going to show all of them to you like step by step. Then we are going to link up one object to one another, such as a page. Just like I told you about prototyping, we are going to do that. And then we are also going to learn how to export the design. And by the end of this lesson, we are going to learn about two website making, okay? One is going to be website, or let's say a desktop, and one is going to be a mobile one, okay? So that is basically it for this intro, and I hope to see you in my first lesson of UI UX with Adobe XD.